So now that we have executed our test event, there can be cases where we want to unlink test events from Tosca to qTest. And let me show you how to do that. So let us navigate back to Tosca, to our link test event, where I can simply right-click on the link test event and select Unlink from qTest. Clicking on Unlink from qTest will trigger or will make this dialog pop up, Unlink from qTest, where I can make a decision if I want to delete the corresponding or the test cycle, which is the test event in qTest. There's also a note here that in case I decide to delete the test event itself, it's not going to mean that I'm going to delete the test cases as well. For now, let me not check that box and simply click on Unlink. Tosca will tell us that we are talking about one test event with an execution list, and this execution list includes 2 execution entries. As always, if you do any changes, we have to make sure that we also use the check and all functionality. So let us do that and navigate back to qTest. So now after I'm going to hit refresh, I'm going to see that the UI changed. Nevertheless, I still have qTosca test event with the 2 execution entries or test runs. But at this point, the UI changed, showing that these objects are not Tosca related anymore. They are not linked anymore. But as a user, if I would want to have the historical data for any reason, I can keep them and I can maintain them on the Tosca or on the qTest side. If I would want to delete them, simply I can click on delete or just save it for later.